back, Calvin, and today I'm about to be showing you what kind of shoe pair I got. Okay? Oh, yes. And baby, these suckers. Oh wait, you see that color? LED. Look at that, boy. Got some LEDs, my boy. Stop playing with your boy. Got some. So look at these hard shoes, and these fit my feet good. These A-on. It says A-on. Can't read that? That's the A. Okay. Got okay, you barely can see now, but this letter right here, A. Other letter, R. E, wait, you can see, look at these suckers. Tablet case, this is what I record all the videos. It's a small tablet, but it's something better than nothing. Yeah, but that's the put it in. I can put it in right there. Y'all can see better. Y'all want me to do that? This is what I choose out of that water bottle. That was just a water bottle. I still think I need to cut. Well, I have a new blue cup that I still use because it's clean and I still clean. I dropped it. Okay, so I have a good cup. This is a metal cup. Like, you see that? That's metal. Look, that's, that's plastic. That's metal. I don't know if that's metal. I think I know. That's what oh wait, oh boy, I'm gonna do an eating challenge. Oh yeah, I have some of these. These is delicious. Oh wait, even back out. I don't know why they say this picture that. But look, I had the mixed burger. My brother had blue burger, this blue, this blue. It's hard to touch point what you're trying to point on with your camera. It's phone with the food. Look, I was eating. I had the mixed flavor. See, strawberry, pineapple, and blueberry. He just had the all blueberry. He had none of these mixed color shots. He just had all blueberry. Nothing else, just blueberry. And I had the mixed. I had strawberry, like I said, green, like I said, and blueberry. And it's very delicious. It's not even that sour. If you do ever thought that it is sour, just try it. They're not even sour. They're tasty. Yeah. The inside, they're sour. I'll admit it. They're a little bit sour. Just a tiny, not too. I don't joke with that. I can't be sour kids because I look how shiny my face is. See this? It literally shines that with the LED. See this? It shines on them, bro. Crazy. She's fake. got money? You got money? You got money? Anyway, I got money. You don't care. And I got good outfit to go with